This is Takhin Nahla Tahini. Every time I share it with people, they always say it tastes like peanut butter. I don't understand why. All I can do is bring some peanuts that I've roasted, toast them a little bit here in this hot pan, and turn them into peanut butter and compare. I have the machine here, turn these peanuts into what they call peanut butter. Peanut butter. Try again. Peanut butter, Takhin, from Nahla Valley in Iraq. And this is peanut butter of Colombia. This peanut butter doesn't become liquid, it becomes paste. Takhin, it's liquid. It's just slightly thicker than olive oil. Powdery, fluffy, pasty at best. Flavor, rich, roasty. I can see though why people say it is similar as Takhin. To me, two different things. The sesame are roasted as well. Maybe that roastiness, that rich flavor is reminding them of peanut butter. They are two different things. These are nuts, these are seeds.